All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So best. So number one in something. Well, other people or others can't compete. Number one, no one can challenge you. I have the best book. What is the best book you've read? This is the best song I know. Yeah. Very good, yeah. They are the best students. He is my best student. She is the best listener. How cool is that? I know the best Mexican restaurant. Yeah. He is the best writer. She wants to be the best writer too. The best writer instead. They were the best crowd I ever had. Yeah. How cool is that? It is the best lesson ever. It is the best tool I have. Best tool I have. How cool is that? I went to the best part of the country. That's the best. Where is the best place to visit? There are so many places. It is hard to tell. How cool is that? Yeah. She's learning from the best teacher. The best teacher. How cool is that? They'll come with me to the best restaurant. I only go to the best restaurant in the city. Nowhere else. Nowhere else. Only the best. Only the best. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, the best. They're best. He is the best in the race. We are the best there is. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use best in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for Adrian, English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.